Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Winnie James aka Wisma, and karibu sana to Triple FL. In this channel we talk about fashion, food, fitness and lifestyle. And today we are doing deep cleaning fridge, kuorganize ikae hivi, ni kuonyeshe vile unavyopanga vitu zako, vile unavyoweza kupanga vizuri kabisa. So if you're new here, subscribe to this channel and karibu sana. Kama wewe umerudi, ninakuenzi sana na ninakupenda sana. So let's do this. So yep, so this is how my fridge looks like. This is inside, and this is before, and this is everything that is in there. So, and basically the first thing you do, this is my freezer, and this is what is in there. So basically the first thing you do, it is to remove everything that is food stuff that is in there. So, and this is everything that I have removed that was in my freezer, and it was not organized in a manner that I like it. I don't do it this daily, I do it maybe after 2 weeks. So my house girl anachukuanga tu akieka mahali anaona iko. So these are cereals that I had boiled last night, so hazijawekwa, so we will arrange it and organize it and pack it nicely, and then I will show you how I do it. So after you removed everything in your fridge, so the next thing is to clean, and you remove the removable stuff. So I will remove these compartments, and then I will clean my freezer. So what do you use when you're doing deep cleaning? For me, I use clean water, clean warm water, and white vinegar. So this is how I am doing it. Okay guys, so tukae pamoja, let's do this. So once I am done cleaning, we will leave the fridge open, and then itapata hiyo kupumua fresh air, and then we will get to organize other stuff, that is washing the vegetables, and then we arrange them. So once I wash my vegetables, za courgette and capsicum, I wipe them because I want to store them zikiwa dry such that hazina hizo maji. So I will wipe them with a clean cloth. Once I'm done cleaning, sasa now this has sukuma wiki, so I am dropping in broccolis, ninaziweka chini kwa vegetable. The reason why I put them at the bottom, it is because at the bottom the fridge is a kind of warm, it's not that cold. So those are French beans. I remove the ends, and then I wash them and dry them and put them in a container, and of course una make sure imerokiwa vizuri kabisa so that haina hewa yenye inaingia. So and then I put the vegetable. It is advisable to put the vegetable below, or rather at the bottom or at the middle, because that space is not that cold. It's not like wakati umeweka juu, because at the top, my freezer, as I told you, my freezer, or as you have seen, my freezer is at the top. So if I put vegetable at the top, nyanya zinaanzanga kuchomeka. So the best thing kufanya, it is to store your vegetables below. If your freezer iko juu, kama freezer yako iko chini, the best place ya kustore your vegetables ni pande ya juu, maana upande wa juu it is not that cold. Sawa. So and after that I'm storing milk, and yup. Hey, after we are done with the refrigerator, now we will do the freezer. So now you can see I've packed my mbosho, the njahes, kamande, baazi zote nimezieka kwa plastic containers. The reason why ninazieka kwa containers za plastic, ndio wakati unazitoa inakuwa ni very easy. I think I will invest on labeling something. I don't store meat in my freezer because one, my husband doesn't like nyama yenye imekaa kwa fridge. Number two, my kids are not watu wa nyama, so mimi tu na mzee ndio naweza sema tunakulanga nyama. So nyama inakuanga, it is either nyama inakuliwa kesho ama kesha kutwa, but hauwezi ipata. It is rare thing kuweka nyama kwa freezer, so tunaekanga hizo mboshos na vitu kama hizo, and that is how my fridge looks like. This is the after. You can see it is well organized. You'll be able to reach on maji baridi, utaweza kufikia juice, utaweza kufikia hizo vitu zingine karibu na wewe. It is advisable when you're doing milk uweke maziwa karibu at the door, kwa sababu especially yenye maziwa yenye imetolewa, kama ni maji yenye imefunguliwa, kama ni juice yenye imefunguliwa, unaistore mahali mtu ataweza kufikia. Alright, So usikuwe umefurahishwa sana that when your fridge is full packed. When it is full packed, baridi haiko na space ya kutembea vizuri sana. And also, do not be happy that your fridge is half empty. Again, consumption inaendanga juu sana, na tena unaanzanga kuna some bacteria unaweza attract. So ieke ikiwa sijajaz hana na haiko empty, umeweka kila kitu kwa kiasi. So thank you guys for watching. God bless you. See you on the next one. Don't forget to like this video, comment in the comment section, and also subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Bye bye. See you on the next one.